Hi students, welcome to Vidyanagar online classes. As you all know, in our previous classes, we have discussed the chapter water. Now in this class, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 18, wastewater story. So first of all, we should know what is wastewater. Can you tell? Yes, used water is wastewater, or you can say the water which is rich in leather mixed with oil, black brown water that goes down the drain from sinks, showers, toilets, laundries is dirty and it is called wastewater. So understood what is wastewater? Okay. But this used water should not be wasted. We must clean it up by removing the pollutants. Now let us discuss about water, our lifeline. As you all know, water is required by all the human beings. All human beings need clean water for their survival. We use clean water for drinking, bathing, cooking, farming and many other purposes. But unfortunately, the clean water that is fit for the use is not available for all. It has been reported that more than 1 billion people of the world have no access of safe drinking water. And due to this, large number of people every year face water diseases and they die. And we have already studied in the previous chapter that people, even children, have to walk several kilometers to collect the clean water. And the scarcity of fresh water is increasing day by day due to increasing population, due to increasing industries, increasing agricultural activities and all. Realizing the urgency of the situation, on World Water Day, that is on 22nd March 2005, the General Assembly of the United Nations declares the period 2005 to 2015 as the International Decade for Action on Water for Life. And during this period, various efforts are made to reduce the number of people who do not have access of safe drinking water. There has been some progress, but there is still more to achieve. As I have already told you, used water should not be wasted. This used water should be cleaned up by removing the pollutants. And the cleaning of water is a process of removing the pollutants before it enters a water body or is reused. And this process of wastewater treatment is commonly known as sewage treatment. Understood? So now as I have told you about sewage treatment, so you might be thinking that what is sewage? So first of all, let us see what is sewage. Actually, sewage is a wastewater which is released by our homes, hospitals, industries, offices and other users. Okay, and it also includes rainwater that has run down the street during a storm or heavy rain. Understood? So what is sewage? Yes, sewage is a wastewater which is released by our homes, industries, hospitals, offices and other users, and it also includes rainwater that has run down the street during the storm or heavy rain. Understood? Now let us discuss about the composition of sewage. As you can say, sewage is a liquid waste and most of it is water which has suspended and dissolved impurities. Okay, and this sewage includes organic impurities like human feces, animals waste, oil, urea, that is urine, and pesticides. You know pesticides? Yes, it is a substance which is used for destroying insects. Okay, then herbicides. Herbicides is also a pesticide which is used for killing unwanted plants. Okay, then fruits and vegetable waste, etc. So sewage includes these organic impurities. Okay, then sewage also includes inorganic impurities. The fertilizers which we have, they contain nitrates, phosphates, etc. and when they dissolve in water, they make wastewater. So sewage also includes inorganic impurities. Then it also includes nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen. Okay. Then sewage also includes bacteria like Vibrio cholera which causes cholera and Salmonella paratifi which causes typhoid. Okay, so sewage also includes bacteria. Then sewage also includes other microbes such as protozoans which causes dysentery. So this is the composition of sewage. So can you tell what is the composition of sewage? Yes, it includes organic impurities. It also includes inorganic impurities. It includes nutrients, bacteria and other microbes. So I hope you understood the composition of sewage. Now the question arises, where does the sewage go? What do we do with the sewage? As we all know, sewage contains undesirable things. Okay, so what happens? This sewage is passed into the sewage treatment plant. Okay, it is passed into the sewage treatment plant. Okay, and what happens in the sewage treatment plant? The undesirable things are removed, or you can say the pollutants are removed to a large extent, and then the clean water is disposed into the water body. So from sewage treatment plant, the clean water is disposed into the water bodies. So in this way, we can say that the wastewater is also utilized. Now you might be thinking that how does the sewage from our homes or hospitals go to this sewage treatment plant? Who carries it? Who transports it? So the entire transport system is known as sewerage. Okay, it is known as sewerage. Understood? Actually, this sewerage is a network of big and small pipes, and these pipes carry the sewage to the sewage treatment plant. Okay, and this sewerage explains exactly how wastewater travels from our homes, maybe from our kitchen sink or from our toilet, etc., travels to the sewage treatment plant. Okay, so now as we have already discussed about sewerage, now let us discuss about manholes. Actually, manholes are located at every 50 to 60 meter in sewerage. Okay, it is located at every 50 to 60 meter in sewerage, and especially at the junction of two or more sewers, that is at the junction of two or more pipes, and it is also at the point where there is change in the direction. Okay, so that are manholes. Now look at this picture, then you can understand how this sewage system works. Okay, so here you can see different houses, and from every house some sewage will come out. Every house will have some wastewater, either from their kitchen sink or toilets, etc., and all these wastewater will come out through the pipes which are present in each houses, as you can see. Then these pipes will join to the bigger pipes, and these pipes, whether they are small or big, they are called sewers, and the entire transport system of sewage is sewerage. So if you see in the picture, the sewage from the house will come through these small pipes, and they will all join to the bigger pipes, and then it will be transported to the sewage treatment plants. And what is going to be happen in the sewage treatment plants? As I have already told you that in the sewage treatment plants, the pollutants will be removed from the wastewater, and the water which will come out from the sewage treatment plant after treatment will be the clean water. So you can see that the clean water is coming out from the sewage treatment plant, and this clean water is disposed into the water bodies. Okay, so these water bodies may be river, ponds, lakes or oceans, etc. So this is how the entire transportation part is taken care of. So I hope you understood it. So today what we have discussed, first of all we discussed about wastewater, then we have also discussed about water, our lifeline, then we discussed about sewage, and we also discussed about the composition of sewage, and then finally we discussed about what do we do with the sewage. So I hope you understood it. So that's all in today's class. Thank you.